In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix CDriveFull and showing red issues in Windows 11 fix. So this should be a quick and easy process. Just go ahead to the search menu, type in disk cleanup. After that, the first option, just go ahead, click on open, and then after that, this window will open up for you. Just go ahead, select all of these options, even the recycle bin if it has some to clean up. And then after that, just go ahead, click on OK, then click on Delete Files. Now just give it a moment to delete all of the unnecessary files. And then after that, just go ahead again to this cleanup. So go to the search menu, type in this cleanup. And then after that, just go ahead, click on Open. And then click on Cleanup and Update Files. And now just give it a moment to calculate all of the files that you have from Windows updates or other files. So just give it a moment. Now from here, if you have any unnecessary files, just delete them. And there you have it. Now the other thing I want to tell you is to go ahead, check a look at your C drive and how many gigabytes it has. If you have less of gigabytes, just go ahead buy another C drive. I recommend an interior one or an external one if you want. So you can find it anywhere in those explorers. You can find there how many gigabytes your C drive has, or the other thing you can do is, so go ahead, delete any of the unnecessary programs or uninstall them from your computer. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.